Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to download Quick Assist from the Microsoft Store on Windows 11. First, click the Start button. Now search for Microsoft Store and open the application. Once the Microsoft Store opens, you will see a search box at the top. Click inside the search box and type Quick Assist. Now press Enter to search. From the search results, find the official Quick Assist application. Click on Quick Assist to open its Microsoft Store page. Here you will see information about the application. You will also see the Get or Install button. This is the button you can use to download and install Quick Assist on your Windows computer. In this video, I'm only showing where the Install option is located, so I will not click the Install button. If Quick Assist is already installed on your computer, you may see an Open button instead of Install. That simply means the application is already available on your PC. If you do not have Quick Assist installed, you can click the Install button to start the installation. Windows will download the application from the Microsoft Store and install it automatically. The installation time may vary depending on your internet connection. After the installation is complete, you can click Open to launch Quick Assist. For this tutorial, we are only locating the Install option and not starting the installation. So if you are following along, simply make sure you have found the official Quick Assist page in the Microsoft Store, and that's it. Now you know how to find Quick Assist in the Microsoft Store and where to find the Install option. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Windows tutorials.